Well, we have okra, pumpkin, chocho, everything that you're supposed to have in my steamed fish. Here it is, guys. So I made sure to cook up everything before I put in my fish because fish don't take a long time to cook. So I'll give this a roughly 10 minutes to steam down. If it's not cooked by then, you guys can cook it 5 more minutes because fish don't take a long time. Alright, I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Thanks for watching. Julia, what are we cooking today? What is this? Is it yummy?
It's yummy.
Yeah? Which one's yours?
This one.
The bigger one?
Bigger one.
Are you greedy?
Greedy.
So it's all done. Look at this. Oh my god. This is to die for. Look at all those juices. It's beautiful. Mmm.